ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि ऑफ भगवान सुरेश्वराचार्य जी, पेज नंबर 7. We were completing the टीका of the second shloka. Avidya Granthi Bhedine. This is the Visheshanam given for Acharya. Avidya Granthi Bhedine, see in टीका, second line. स्वस्य अन्यैरभेद्य अविद्या ग्रंथि भेतृत्वात् गुरोरेवं विदता सिद्धा इत्यर्थः। स्वस्य अन्यैः अभेद्य, स्वस्य अविद्या ग्रंथि, one's own अविद्या ग्रंथि और अविद्या ग्रंथि रिगार्डिंग one's own self. Anyaihi abhedya. Anyaihi means by all the Dvaita Acharyas. By the Dvaita Acharyas, this Avidya Granthi is abhedya. Swasya anyaihi abhedya avidya granthi bhetru. That bheta will be Acharya Bhagavad Pada. So avidya granthi bhetrutvat guroho evam vedata. Guru is called avidya granthi bhedin. Which guru? That guru which is able to separate Satya Atma from Mithya Anatma. For me, the one who can teach this, instruct this, the one who abides in this, that's Satya Atma and Mithya Anatma. This will not be possible for Dvaita Acharyas, because for them, Atma is also Satya, Anatma is also Satya. So, that Granthi Bhedanam, they will not be able to do. And that's why in Kathopanishad it is given, Ananya Prokte Gatiratra Nasti. If the Acharya himself is Ananya Prokta, means he understands this Brahma is me, such Acharya will be able to teach the students also. Evam Vedata Siddha Guroho. Such Guru is Avidya Granthi Bhedin. Now we begin third shloka, introduction. Samanantara shloka viprayam aha. Samanantar means tritiya shloka. Now that which is the next one. What is the purpose? What is the objective of this shloka? It is said namaskar nimitta iti. See in the Moolam. Namaskar nimitta swashaya avishkaranartha. Namaskar nimitta swashaya. Swashaya means swasya ashaya. Avishkaranartha. Avishkaranam means prakatikaranam. In Tika, some meanings are given. See, नमस्कारस्य निमित्त भूतो यह स्वस्य आशयो अभिप्राय विशेषो. नमस्कारस्य निमित्त भूतः यह स्वस्य आशय. Somebody will ask, why did you do namaskar to your guru? Why did you do namaskar to Ishta Devata? So other purposes we had seen that Grantha Prachaya will happen, Nirvignena Samapti ityadi ityadi. So which Grantha and why there is a Grantha? So about that it is given. Namaskarasya nimitta bhuto यह स्वस्य आशय अभिप्राय विशेष, one's own आशय अभिप्राय विशेष है, येन अभिप्रायेण नमस्कारः कृतः, by that अभिप्राय नमस्कार is done. नमस्कारः कृतः, तस्य आविष्करणार्थम उत्तर श्लोकः, to reveal for its prakatikaranam that what is the intention behind this namaskara. So some people do namaskara for their other prayojana siddhi, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Some people are artharthi, some people are artha, some are jignasu, like that. What is the ashaya? By whose nimitta you have done namaskara? For that uttara shlokaha ityarthaha. वेदांतोदर संगूढ़ं
सारोदरसंगूढं
वस्तुगम
संसारोद्धारवस्तुतम्
ज्ञानव्याकृतमप्यन्यैर्
ज्ञानव्याकृतमध्यन्ये
गुर्वनुशिक्षया
वक्ष्ये गुरुरनुशिक्षया
वेदांतोदर संगूढ़ं संसारोद्धारि वस्तुगम ज्ञानं व्याकृतमप्यन्यैर् वक्ष्ये गुर्वनुशिक्षया. वेदांतोदर संगूढ़ं संसारोत्सारी वस्तुगम ज्ञानम अन्यैर्व्याकृतम अपि गुर्वनुशिक्षया वक्ष्ये. ज्ञानम वक्ष्ये. I am going to speak about jnanam. Which jnanam? Vedantodara sangudham. That jnanam which is hidden. Udham means hidden. Which is Vedanta Udara. It is inside Vedanta. Means not inside Veda, inside Vedanta. All of you keep your things mute. When I ask questions, then you answer. Vedanta Udara Sangudham Samsarotsari Vastugam. Sansarotsari. How will you do Samasa Vigraha?
संसार एव सारः संसार सारी
Sorry.
Sansara Utsari.
Sorry.
I don't have book now. संसार
Utsari.
उत्सारः
Ansarasya.
Those who don't know Sanskrit, they should not attempt.
संसार उच्चारणं शीलं यस्य स संसार उत्सारी.
Sansaram Utsartum Shilam Yasya Tat Samsarotsari. Sansarotsari Jnanam. Jnanam whose character or characteristic is to remove samsara. Samsara Utsaranam or Samsara Utsartum Shilam. Means this is all that Jnanam will do. Eliminate samsara. Such Jnanam Sansarotsari Vastugam. Vastugam vastu gamayati iti vastugam jnanam. That jnanam, vastu means Brahma vastu, sad vastu. That jnanam which reveals Brahma vastu is called vastugam jnanam. Somebody says already so many people have written. Why you want to write another text so that we will have to study? He says, Anyaihi vyakritam api. Even though other people have already done vyakhya, they have expressed it. But Gurvanu Shikshaya Vakshye, my Guru has instructed me to write. So I told you in the beginning, in the introduction, Bhagavan Bhashyakar wanted Suresh Horacharya ji to write Vartika on Brahma Sutra Bhashya. But it did not materialize. So Bhashyakar told him, you write independent text on Brahma Pratipadanam. Brahma Sutra is also doing Brahma Pratipadanam, but that is based on the Vyasji Sutras. Here he was told, you write independently. So Guru Anushikshaya Vakshye. See Tika now. Jnanam Vakshye iti sambandha. Kim pramanakam tat iti ata aha. Vedantodara sangudham iti. Kim pramanakam. How will you do vigraha?
किं प्रमाणं यस्य सः किं प्रमाणकः
Kim pramanam yasya tat kim pramanakam. This is a Bahurihi Samasa. Kim pramanakam. Kim pramanam yasya. Means what is the pramanam? Aha Vedantodara Sangudham. So what is the pramanam for this? It is said, this is Vedantodara Sangudha. Iti. That Samasa Vigraha Acharya himself gives. Vedantanam udareshu antareshu sangudham sanchannam ashuddha buddhibhir aprapyatvat. Vedantanam udareshu antareshu sangudham is Vedantodara Sangudham. Udareshu means Antareshu, means within Vedanta Upanishad mantras. This Jnanam is Sangudham. Sangudham Sanchannam. How will Sangudham Shabda come? We saw this in one class recently. Guhu Samvarne Dhatu is there. In Guhu Samvarne Dhatu, Nishtha Pratyaya. And then what is the Mukhya Sutra? Hakar will become Dhakara. What is the Mukhya Sutra? Odha. Odha is the Sutra. But when you do Hodha, you will have Gudha. Gudha and Dha. Then one Dha, Lopa will take place. What is the Sutra there? Dhodhe Lopaha. Dhodhe Lopaha. And then you have Raswa Gu will become Dirgha. It will become from Guha to Gudha to Gudha. How rasva gu will become dirgha?
द्रलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घोण
प्रलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घोणः. So hodah, hodher lopah, pralope purvasya dirghona. Three sutras. Guhu savarne dhatu. That which is covering. That covering thing is covering Brahma. So this Brahma Jnanam is covered in Vedanta. All over in Upanishads, it is there, but it is hidden. And many times that's why if you finish Ishavasya, Kena Upanishad and all, and then you still wonder, they never told me I am Brahma. And you all say Vedanta says you are Brahma, you are Brahma. I have finished Ishavasya, I have finished Kena Upanishad, and then even if you study Prashna, Aitareya, you will have no idea what is happening. This is why it is said Sangudam, Sanchannam, Sanchannam, Sanchannam. The dhatu here is
छिद धातु
छद छदि
Chad.
आच्छादने
Achhadane.
Hmm.
Achhadane dhatu, then what pratyaya has to come?
निष्ठा प्रत्यय
If you do nishtha pratyaya, it will become chadita. Right? Because like achhadita, it is churadigan dhatu. So we have to have anit and also takarasya nakara. So one sutra is Vadanta Shanta Purna Dasta Spashta Channa Jnaptaha. In these dhatus, Danta Shanta Purna Dasta, in these shabdas, the idagama will not come. Anit it will be. And Radabhyam Nishthato Naha Purvasya Cha Daha. So that Dakara, because of Nishtha, will become Nakara. So instead of Chat, it will become Channa. Radabhyam Nishthato Naha Purvasya Cha Daha. 8 to 42. And the earlier one is 7 to 27. So each word requires so many sutras, and certain words, their samasa vigraha. If you study one such text thoroughly, you will study a whole lot of things. Sanchannam. This Brahma Jnanam is covered. For whom? Ashuddha buddhibhihi. Ashuddha buddhibhihi aprapya. Means those who are distracted, those who have too many things going on every day, other than Atma Vichara, for them it will be difficult. That's why Sureshwaracharya ji says, I will write a text, you study that, it will be easy. So in other words, those who are very busy during the day, they should study Naiskarmya Siddhi. Kim prayojanam tat iti ataha. Kim prayojanam, samasa vigraha will be Kim prayojanam yasya tat jnanam. Kim prayojanam. So what is the prayojanam of this jnana? Ityataha samsarotsari. This jnanam is samsarotsari. It is the remover of samsara, transmigration. Kim vishayam tat iti ata aha vastugam iti. Kim vishayam. What is the vigraha?
कः विषयो यस्य
Ko vishayo yasya. Kaha vichane. Ko Vishayo yasya. Then tat kim vishayam. Vishaya is pullinga shabda, but jnanam is napunsaklinga. What will be alaukika vigraha?
Kahasu, kasu, kimsu,
Ah,
vishayasu.
kim su vishayasu. Those who are not familiar with some of these things, but are familiar with some of these things. Means they know what is samasa. If probably they don't know what is this laukika and alaukika vigraha, slowly you have to get the samskaras and note these things. That even if Vishaya Shabda is Pullinga, but Jnanam is Napunsakalinga. So, Anya Padartha is Napunsakalinga. And Samasa, Bahuvrihi Samasa is Anya Padartha Pradhana. So, instead of saying Kim Vishayaha, it said Kim Vishayam. So, what is the Pramanam? What is the Prayojanam? What is the Vishaya? These things are discussed. Vastugam. What is the Vishaya? It is revealing the Vastu. Vastu means Brahma Vastu. Samasta Dvaita Kalpana Adhisthana Bhuta Atma Tattva Vishayam Tat Ityarthaha. This is Samasta Dvaita Kalpana Adhisthana Bhuta Atma Tattva Vishayam. All my Dvaita Kalpanas Adhishthanam is this Atma Tattva. In other words, any form of duality, Aham Idam, Pramata, Pramana, Prameya, all of them, they are residing in Atma Tattva. Tad yushmado rasmadi sampratishtha. Tasmin vinashte smadi mula bodhat. Tad yushmadasmad mati varjitaika. Sthitir jwalanti sahajatmanasyat. So that Atma Tattva, where all Dvaita Kalpanas are projected and supported. Adhisthana Bhuta Atma Tattva Vishayam Tat Ityarthaha. Nanu etasya jnanasya bahubhir vyakritatvat kimiti tvaya tad vyakriyata iti ata aha vyakritam api iti. Somebody is asking a question. Etasya jnanasya bahubhir vyakritatvat. So many people have already commented on this such kind of texts or written such texts. Vyakritam means they have made it revealed. You said it is covered, but they have revealed it. So then why you are also doing the same thing? Kimiti tvaya tad vyakriyataye. Why this is being done by you? Karmani prayoga. Iti ataha vyakritam api. Even though it is already done. Jnanam vyakritam api. Yes, that means he knows that some other people have already done it. It's not that it is not done. Vyakritam api. Bahubhir vyakritam api. Gurvanu shikshaya त्वया ग्रंथः कर्तव्य इति गुरोः अनुशासनेन तद आज्ञा परिपालनाय अहम तद वक्ष्ये इत्यर्थः. Guru anushikshaya. What is the guru's in anushiksha means instruction. So that is given in direct quotation. Tvaya grantha kartavya. This is guru's instruction. You should write a text. Tvaya grantha kartavya. This Bhashyakar must have given these words. So this is the Guru Anushasana. Iti Guroho Anushasanena tad Ajna Paripalanaya aham tad vakshye. So I am just following my Guru's advice. This is a wonderful thing in life, you know. If we understand. What Bhagavan Bhashyakar has given is instruction for everybody actually. What Bhashyakar has said, not writing Grantha, but at least to study. All those are instructions for all. So with this third shloka, Tika is complete. So Grantha Prayojanam is there, and why he is writing, that is also given. Now further, Nanu. सामान्यतः सिद्धम विशेषेण अप्रसिद्धम च वस्तु विषयो भवति. Which vastu can become Vishaya? Vishaya means Vishaya of Jnanam. Jnana Vishaya will be that thing which is Samanyataha Siddham. Siddham means it is known. Visheshena Aprasiddham means not known. So something which I know, like if somebody says, do you know Chausa mango? Chausa. You say, I know mango, so it looks like mango only. It will look like it. But this must be something Vishesha. That Vishesha part I don't know. So Samanyataha Siddham. Visheshena Aprasiddham. This is Samanya example I gave, common example. In this case, if somebody says Atma, do you know Atma? So everyone says I. This is Samanyataha Siddha. But what is that Atma? Is it Jagat Adhishthanam? That I don't know. So Visheshena Aprasiddham cha vastu vishayo bhavati. Brahma tu nissamanya vishesham advitiyatvat. Ataha katham tad vishayatvam prakaranasya iti akshipati. Kim vishayam iti. Brahma is nissamanya vishesham. So tu shabda is to show the Vishaya Bheda. Earlier he said Samanyata Siddham Visheshana Aprasiddham. But this Lakshana will not go in Brahma. Why? Brahma is Nissamanya Vishesham. So Samanya means Jati. Vishesha means Vyakti. This is another way you can see Samanya and Vishesha. So I gave the Drishtanta, mango. So somebody says, Amratva Jati is there in Chausa Am. In that mango also, same Jati will be there because it belongs to the same species. So it is a mango, that much I know. So Vishesha I don't know. Like that, if somebody gives another Drishtanta also, it's a similar thing. Like if somebody says, Kovidaram, Bhavan Kovidaram Janati. So, if I know Kovidaram is a flower, then at least it belongs to flower category. This much I know. Samanya I know. Vishesha is, a flower is there in front of me and somebody will say, get me Kovidaram. I will not know which one it is unless I can do Parishesha Nyaya. So, Nissamanya Vishesha, Brahma does not have Jati. Therefore, Brahma cannot have Jati Vyakti. Samanya Vishesha will not be there in Brahma. And it is Advitiya. Nissamanya Vishesham Advitiyatvat. And therefore, how will you say Brahma is Samanyata Siddha, Visheshata Asiddha? Ataha Katham Tad Vishayatvam Prakaranasya. How it can become the subject matter of Naishkarmya Siddhi Grantha, which is a Prakarana Grantha. Therefore, Tad Vishayatvam Prakaranasya. Tad Vishayatvam Prakaranasya. If you remove Shashti from Prakarana, then it will become
विषयः प्रकरणः
Tadvishayah Prakarana. Iti Akshipati. So that Akshepa is done. Kim Vishayam Iti in Moolam. Kim Vishayam Prakaranam Iti Chet Tad Upanyasah. Kim Vishayam again has come. Kim Vishayam Prakaranam. Earlier it was Jnanam. Now it is Prakaranam. Means Prakarana is going to reveal Jnanam. Ko Vishayo Yasya Tat Prakaranam Kim Vishayam Iti Chet Tad Upanyasah. Its Upanyasa is being done. See in Tika. Tad Samadhanaya Uttara Shloka Ityaha Tad Upanyasa. So to do Samadhanam of this question, this Shanka, that Brahma is not Samanyata Siddha and Visheshata Aprasiddha. Then how we can do a Prakarana about Brahma? So this question is actually a common question. In Brahma Sutra, Bhashyakar has not given this objection, but I think maybe he has, or but other Tikakar, they have already brought this up. That Athato Brahma Jignasa, if you say, Brahma Jignasa is possible only if you know what Brahma is. So Samanyata Siddham, Visheshata Asiddham. If something which is not at all known, you cannot have Jignasa. Atyanta Ajnata Vastunaha Jignasa na sambhavati. Atyanta Jnata Vastuna api Jignasa na sambhavati. If you already know completely, thoroughly something, what Jignasa? You already know. There is no desire to know. Therefore, it should be Samanyata Siddha, Visheshata Asiddha. Then the question will be, but Brahma is Nisamanya Vishesha. How can you say Samanyata Siddha, Visheshata Asiddha? So then how I gave the Drishtanta? Atma is Samanyataha Jnata. People generally say, I know I am. Aham asmi. What is the nature of that Atma? About that there is Vivada. Deha Atma, Indriya Atma, Prana Atma, ityadi. So for that, Brahma Jignasa is valid. Tadupanyasa iti. Yad Vishayam idam prakaranam tasya Vishayasya upanyasa ityartha. Yad Vishayam idam prakaranam. This prakarana, Yad Vishayam, means Yad Vishayakam idam prakaranam tasya Vishayasya upanyasa. This is also Bahuvri, Yad Vishayam. Whatever is the Vishaya of this Prakarana Grantha, Tasya Vishayasya Upanyasa. Upanyasa means presenting. That Vishaya is being presented. What is the subject matter? Now, more closely it is being revealed. Yat Siddha Vidamaha Siddhir Yada Siddhau Na Kinchana Pratyak Dharmaika Nishthasya
धर्मैकनिष्ठस्य
Sputam
याथात्म्यं वक्ष्यते स्फुटम्
Yat Siddha Vidama Siddhir Yada Siddhau Na Kinchana Pratyak Dharmaika Nishthasya Yathatmyam Vakshate Sputam. Yad Siddhau Idamaha Siddhi Yada Siddhau Na Kinchana Pratyak Dharmaika Nishthasya Yathatmyam Sputam Vakshyate. So some of these words will be explained in Tika. That's why There is no need of going in detail. What is the simple meaning of this shloka? That because of whose siddhi, means its existence, idamaha siddhi, idam vastu, whatever is known as drishya, idam, its siddhi takes place. Yat siddhau idamaha siddhi. Yad asiddhau na kinchana. There is nothing. If that is not there, nothing else is there. Pratyak dharmaika nisthasya, and that is nishtha, where in pratyak dharma, means it is recognized as pratyagatma. Pratyak dharmaika nisthasya. But what is the nature of this pratyagatma? Yathatmyam. Whatever is the exact nature of that pratyagatma, on whose siddhi idam siddhi will happen, on whose asiddhi nothing will exist. That pratyak dharmaika nishthasya atmanah yathatmyam sputam vakshate. It is as is clearly explained. So Anvay Vyatireka is also done here. That which is present, then everything else is known. On the one which is not known, nothing is known. This is like tasya tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. Tasya bhasa sarvam idam vibhati. Yasya chidatmanah siddhau antఃकरणादावाभासोदयात् स्फुटतर व्यवहार योग्यत्वे सति इदमः प्रमात्रादेरनात्मनो जडस्य सिद्धिः स्फुरणम्. Yasya chidatmanah siddhau, when that chidatma siddhi is there. So Tikakar is not keeping a secret. Yasya siddhau, he already says chidatmanah, chidatma. When it is there, then antakaranadau abhasa udayat. In antakarana, chidabhasa takes place. Because of chidabhasa udaya, sphutatara vyavahara yogyatve sati. Sphutatara vyavahara is possible with antakarana. That antakarana will become pramata. Starting from that pramata, when sabhasa antakarana is pramata, after that anatmano jadasya siddhi is puranam. Idamaha, so idam shabda itself is taken as idam pratipadika and declined as is. What is the sutra for that? There is a sutra for this also. Swam rupam shabdasya ashabda sanya is the sutra. Shabdasya ashabda sanya, swam rupa. It will decline in its own rupa. 1168. So like idam in Vyakarana Shastra has some particular sanya. Discarding that, you just take it as idam only. That's why it will become idamah. Ramana Maharshi ji uses that word ahamaha, ahami, ahaminasha bhaji. So he uses the word as is. Idamah pramatrade anatmano jadasya siddhi spuranam. Why? Because they become vyavahara yogya. Antakarana and the other jad vastu, now they all are vyavahara yogya. यद सिद्धौ यस्य आत्मनो अंतःकरणादौ आभास अनुदयात् असिद्धौ स्फुटतर व्यवहार अयोग्यत्वे सति न किंचन प्रमात्रादि जड़म सिद्ध्यति इति शेषः. यद असिद्धौ, and when that atma siddhi is not there, atma jnanam is not there, or atma existence is not available, not recognized, then yasya atmano antakaranadau abhasa anudayat. In antakarana abhasa chidabhasa, if it is not there, because atma is not there, then what will happen? Asiddhau sputatara vyavahara ayogyatve sati. Sputatara, spashta vyavahar is not there. So there is no vyavahar actually. If there is, this is only hypothetical condition. This will never happen that antakarana is there, atma is there, but in antakarana, chidabhasa did not come. Somehow, chidabhasa forgot to express itself in antakarana. Because what is the tadatmya between ahankara and chidabhasa?
Sahaja.
Sahaja.
Sahaja. Ahankarasya tadatmyam
चिच्चाय देह साक्षिभिः
Sahajam sarva sahajam karmajam
सहजं कर्मजं भ्रातिजन्
bhrantijam.
antijanam, then what?
Bhrantijam kramat.
जन्यं च त्रिविधं क्रमात्
Vividham krama. So this sahaja tadatmya means this is just a hypothetical condition that for whatever reason, if chidabhasa is not there, then vyavahara yogyatva is not there. Vyavahara yogyatve sati na kinchana siddhyati. Nothing will be siddha. Nothing means pramatradi jadam. Pramata, pramana, prameya. These will not be siddha. So this expression of aham jnata, this will not be there. No jnanam will take place because no prameya will become known. No pramavritti will be there like that. Or another meaning he gives, yadva, na kinchana, means na kasyachana ityartha. Na kasyachana. How will you complete the sentence? What is there in the previous sentence?
प्रमात्रादि जडं सिद्ध्यति.
The previous sentence ends in siddhyati. So na kinchana means na kasyachana siddhyati. That's all. Siddhyati is what is required there. Ityartha. So in the first vikalpa, pramata, pramana, prameyam, there siddhi will not happen. In second vikalpa, nothing. Na kasyachana. Na kinchana means nothing at all will be siddha. Either way you can take. Tad evam अनिर्णीत प्रमाण अप्रमाण करणीय लोक प्रसिद्धेश चिदात्मनि भावात् ब्रह्मणः सामान्यतः सिद्धिरुक्ता इति मंतव्यम्. So Siddhanti said, Brahmanah samanyatah siddhi, visheshata asiddhi. So samanyatah siddhi, how this line is explaining now. Tad evam nirnita, evam prakarena nirnita, evam nirnita, nirnita pramana apramana karaniya. So now first of all,
Anirnita Swamiji.
प्रमाण अप्रमाण अनिर्णीत एवं अनिर्णीत प्रमाण अप्रमाण करणीय. First you should understand what is this pramana here. Pramana shabda, what is the dhatu here?
Mad.
Mang, mang mane dhatu. Mang mane. Pramana shabda, you can do lyut pratyaya in bhava or in karana. If lyut pratyaya is there in karana, it will become pramanam, because pramanam is, what is pramanam?
Pramaya.
Prama.
Vedanta paribhasha you have studied. Pramayaha karanam. Pramanam. So this is lyut pratyaya in karana. If you do lyut pratyaya in bhava, pramana shabda will mean prama. Shabda will be pramana only, but it will mean prama. So here shabda is pramana and apramana, but you should understand it means prama or no prama. Prama means yathartha jnanam or ayathartha jnanam. In other words, about Atma, there is some jnanam, either yathartha or ayathartha, and this is loka prasiddha. Some prama is there. I mean, some jnanam is there. Whether that jnanam is prama or aprama is not known. So Naishkarmya Siddhi has come to establish this only. Here pramanam, so we should not take praman as pramanam in karana lyut. It is in bhava. Praman apramana. Now karaniya. Karaniya shabda, normally how it is to be understood? Karaniya means you should do. This is how we take. This is not in that sense. Here karaniya means karanasya vishaya is karaniya. So prama or aprama karanasya vishaya. That is how pramana karaniya. That vishaya is loka prasiddha. In the world, some Atma Shabda is known or Brahma Shabda is known. People walking here, Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. I know. And so many books are there everywhere, Aham Brahmasmi is available, but people may not have any idea what is this Brahma. So Loka Prasiddhehe, so Anirnita, about which Nirnaya is not done. Anirnita pramana apramana karaniya loka prasiddhe chidatmani bhavat. Only thing that is known is that there is some such thing. What it is, what is swarupa, that is not known. Chidatmani bhavat brahmanaha samanyataha siddhi ukta iti mantava. So of this Brahma, samanyata siddhi is there. Now that question is raised. Nanu brahmano nisamanya visheshatvat avisheshatvam uktam. Brahma is nirvishesha. You only say Brahma is nirvishesha. Now you are saying in Brahma there is samanya also and vishesha also. How is it possible? ननु ब्रह्मणो निस्सामान्य विशेषत्वात् अविशेषत्वम् उक्तम त्वया एव, त्वया वेदान्तिना अविशेषत्वम् उक्तम इति आशंक्य तथापि तस्य सच्चिदात्मादि साधारणाकारेण सिद्धावपि सर्वप्रपंच विभ्रम अधिष्ठान नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त अद्वितीय आनंद लक्षण असाधारण कारेण असिद्धेः संभवति प्रकरण विषयत्वम् इत्याह। सो ब्रह्म तथापि means that nanu you should understand as यद्यपि ब्रह्मणो निस्सामान्य विशेषत्वात् अविशेषत्वम् उक्तम्, we accept ब्रह्म is निर्विशेष, तथापि तस्य सच्चिदात्मादि साधारण आकारेण, साधारण ज्ञानम is it is सच्चित् स्वरूप, अस्ति भाति is known, साधारण आकारेण सिद्धावपि, but this is what we don't know, what सर्व प्रपंच विभ्रम अधिष्ठान, सर्वस्य प्रपंचस्य विभ्रमस्य, or whatever भ्रांति is there in the form of prapancha, tasya adhisthana bhuta is not known. Then karmadhara with all the rest, nitya shuddha buddha mukta advitiya ananda, then bahuvrihi anandam lakshano yasya, anandam lakshanam yasya tat नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त अद्वितीय आनंद लक्षण असाधारण आकारेण, दिस इज असाधारण ज्ञानम और विशेष, इन दिस वे इट इज असिद्ध. I also don't know means those people who say I have studied Vedanta, if they don't know Atma in this way, that I am Nitya Mukta, Nitya Shuddha, Nitya Buddha, Jagat Adhisthana, I am Advitiya, I am Ananda Swarupa. In this way, if I have not understood, that is where I have to put forth effort. Even after studying lots of Shastras, if this part is not known, I have not reached my destination yet. So, asadharana akarena asiddhehe sambhavati prakarana vishayatvam. So, this prakaranasya vishayatvam sambhavati. It is possible to have a prakarana whose vishaya is Brahma, which is samanyatah jnata, visheshata ajnata. Ityaha pratyak dharma iti. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.